Imagine.
I love how like exaggerated the back end losses on this game. Like
Come
if
on,
you
man!
lose the back end, it's like it's a collision more than a crash.
It is actually. It doesn't crash that often. What do you mean? I didn't even on the brakes!
That's not a normal corner to crash. Oh, I'm validated to someone. That's a good start. Have I even got time to get back round?
I'm not gonna stop! Bollocks.
That lap lasted long.
Because round 3 is the lap time, so. Oh my god, the white line, I swear! Come on.
I just overshot that corner so bad again.
Well, there goes my only chance of actually getting the pole this season.
No, he beat me as well!
Oh, I have that. How do you get a good start on this?
10 red lights. Lights out.
Oh, this is going to be spicy.
I don't know where you're supposed
Oh,
to
no
brake.
way you're making that corner.
Bollocks.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, someone else followed me, that's fine. I need to get position back. Go! Thank you. Oh, brilliant, lost position to JJ as well because I did that.
It's weird seeing everyone in different bikes. I have no idea who's who.
Oh my god.
Oh!
That's brave, don't you think?
Yeah, do you want a 12 inch?
Mate, it's so hard to get the bike stop for that corner.
I got such a bad exit.
Oh, fucking Christ.
The rear is so bad.
God, 12 laps to this.
Slipstream! Whoa! JJ, oh my god, I didn't see you coming at all.
No, I did that to be fair. I was
That was a
braking the line.
brilliant move by you.
The line told me to break them.
No, I did it again! No!
But we actually got the same.
We are actually doing it. I didn't think we were gonna do it!
Oh my god, it's bike!
Alright.
We go. Right, we're off.
No overtaking on the seat. I think I may have blew that one up.
You forgot to fucking brake.
Oh, hi, Harrison. I'm just gonna crap restart then. Save it! Save it! Aye.
Oh! No!
No!
Oh, he's gone! Oh my god!
I got the almighty pun.
Oh, he's still alive.
Wait, did you not crash
Oh my
there?
god. No!
I thought he was gonna crash there as well. Look how much the rear moves, it's like, Jesus Christ.
Imagine what it's going to be like at Saxon Ring.
It's like going up the inside of JJ there, it's just the rear goes and that's it, you have to go wide. Hello JJ. Until you touch the curve.
What?
What?
Oh, the bike!
Yo!
Oh my god, everyone crashed.
Yo! Can we call the
Did
safety
that
car? Chaotic dummy? No? Okay.
That's really virtual, that one, mate.
This is a fast virtual.
But yeah, how's Harrison last? No. Yeah, that was massive.
Oh my god!
Thought the safety car was out.
Oh!
For God's sake!
Oh yeah, actually there is safety car.
Yeah, it's out again.
Yeah. It's alright.
Yeah.
We'll do a 5-lap sprint.
That's not the
next
ideal
one.
line through there.
No!
Oh my,
Oh my god!
god, your bike has gone flying.
Suck on that, Zimmer.
Right, that's it. I'll take the sandbags off now. Oh my god, I've overshot someone.
Alright, that's corner curtain. I want to send that one to the
No,
stewards.
I've gone round
Which
the
don't
bollard.
exist.
You've gone round the
I've gone round the bollard and it's penalised me. Yeah, it's because you overset the safety car.
No! I was catching up and everything.
Everything. Sound like free run.
No, oh my god! It's like on the Honda you crashed once. Leave me alone. No. Oh. That's also not the breaking point.
Oh!
You need to
Save it!
You need to take the corner, lad. That would be a good start.
Okay. Oh, what? Right, here we go. Now let's go.
Okay, this is an interesting line.
That's only going one way. You've all missed turn 1 completely.
I'm surprised.
Oh my god, how am I alive?
Oh, the back end's not happy.
I don't think it would be. No! It's safety car. Blue.
No! Right, this corner is having me on.
Oh, there it is, missed it.
Up the inside of Harrison.
Oh, it's not even invalidated.
Harrison's parked it.
Oh, great racing at the front. Oh!
Yeah, they jinxed it, didn't you?
In a slipstream. Oh, what do you
No.
mean? Are we doing a safety car?
Now, one more lap. One more lap, and then we'll park up on the grid and we'll have a shootout. 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go! Oh, what a start from Harrison. He takes the lead down in the third one. Oh, what is his camera angles? Is there like a... I can't see what's going on.
Yeah. You can press
No,
the camera.
Oh, it's curtains. It is curtains for JJ.
No, I was
He's
doing
out of
what I
it.
normally break.
Oh,
my-
the tyres are cold.
I wonder why.
This is
There we go.
worst corner
Fastest lap of the
there.
race from you, man.
No!
No. Go, Harrison. Oh my god. It's going to be 3 wide. Oh, he's going
breaking
for
early,
the send. He's going for the send. No. Oh, there's going to be handbags here. There's going to be handbags. He's gone for the move. The switchback. He's been absolutely done on the switchback. No, inside again. 2 corners to go. Who's going to take the F1 line? Oh, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. Oh,
Why?
Harrison's going to
You
win
fucking
it.
pushed me off, you bitch!
Oh, he's out of fuel. He's out of fuel on the last corner. Oh, it's curtains. It is curtains. Oh, he's first. You won the race. What the fuck? Wait, no. What's happening?